Yo, General, you know, say, me a pre-life from a day, from what day there, seeing, and it all comes down to man and woman situation, you know. I want to understand what I say.
What you say to me? Man a veteran in that. You don't see how me roll? Me a whole leave a girl on that. But otherwise than that, sometimes some of them man a fool. Then take up some crazy girl. Can't go out there in yard. Then can't even sleep with their eyes shut. Sometimes it's I watch.
That's true. Some man have a situation they're rough, but me, I have them problems, brother. You see my one of my yard, I have that under control. Because guess what, I'm a man. Booth throw. Me that. I deal with certain things. I'm in control. You know what I mean? And when it come down to certain things, I'm gonna play around. Give me a second. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I watch you play them. No, I never want to close them. How about it? No, I never do that. Oh, what? I'm not getting home tonight. Me I come now, man. Me I come. Alright, me soon come now.
You know, so who that did up on the phone, the General?
What mean who me I talk to? I'm my grandmother auntie. I'm here try to help her out in one situation. So what? Me can't help out people in a situation.
But you know, I'm not really say nothing too bad. I'm just concerned because me somebody talk about wash plate and you know wash clothes. You know me come down still. Well, if you say your grandmother auntie, I believe the eye still, because I expect the eye for your woman to work more so.
Wait, eh? Oh, you talk about? Give me a second again, man. What you say?
That's some go on country there, man.
What you say, you ready?
Some see, you almost got some again. Yeah.
This one come. Put in a purple plate. Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Oh, what?
No, man, no. Exercise.
Yo, here we are going. I have to go do road, you know, so. My grandmother auntie call me.
Alright. Forward. Alright.
So, we link up, yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
If I don't show me, I can reason about the situation again. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, myself.
You know, man, nowadays, I bet you a young man that go call me now. Watch him run.
You start prepare food then?
No, I'm not ready. She's on first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
What?
I don't have enough flour and support.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough something like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright,
Yeah?
man.
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Put it, bye-bye.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? What? No. Nobody eat?
Yo, what one?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down, man, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there? You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're at your yard. So if you tell me you want to make food around there, oh, you have curfew in your yard, and on your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice. before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so or something, but nothing not going on so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
Me not wake up your wife. Me not gonna wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh!
No,
man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell round so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I got. Here, don't go first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry and bark me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and follow back. Hey, man, I smell the food from out there, so me not share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. Right, come on, get you.
See you help me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I saw the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah. I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen now, your neighbor mind that talking, but maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass through your house and go talk to them. And them no talk, but me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there sleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? I'll be a mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yeah, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up and near me food, you know. Me not let you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
Stay on there. Yeah, oh, sorry. You know what I do, but...
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. My youth, what me you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a liquor pity business with you, you know. Cause you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me a try to make it work. A long time we a try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things, eh? Our problem.
No, man. You get from bad to worse. You just go accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're a gallus. I'm not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner, man. Who could have call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you have no girl is. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 girl on the road. Me don't call that girl is.
Yo,
A boy
upper
thing
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where me I come from right now. Kerry tell me say, yo, I don't give you Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me, eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend, you know. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gotta do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know me, General. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a girl is. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me no one do something here. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you to put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me you beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this term, man, palm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi,
What on?
we're there.
You know where Papa and me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa and me I come from right now.
What go on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty. Cause me can't bother
So
to
my
mix up.
youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back with
I can't take him mix up. Me have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I'm just ease myself. I'm a woman me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? Me have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him sit down.
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? Eh? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on, I come talk about me, I watch him. But me I tell people where my girl is. When man a girl is, a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, stop following me. What you talking about? I'm so me do. Eh? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at the shadow me. Yo, me look you long enough by you. Me want to lose my money. You see me lose my money. Me want to lose my money.
Easy my friend.
Just wait. Me want to lose my money.
Hold me, hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, that place. Come on, that place. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road.
And listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back me name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once it jump on me foot, it they go kick. So top. You see how you?
Step out that place.
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam not a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girl is. When me know say him a girl clone already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girl is?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen, when me did say yesterday, me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere, you have to put the man there aside, because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl, because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is, girl fool. And you don't tell the man, oh, me I walk up and them when my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night, you know what I mean?
One of them
On my
night
birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me, you know, birthday. But yo, love my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's a bolo business.
Love my business. Simple as that.
I
Yo,
know one birthday, it was just a gigolo.
yo, you see how you
Calm
come on business, you know.
Calm down, little
Come on,
man.
business,
Calm down,
you.
man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need for prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Cause I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on.
Yeah, woman.
Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on,
Come on.
yo, see how you
Come
like
here, us. Come here, us, man. Go on.
you come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, go on, brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
Now go on, man. Honestly, my brethren are going to link up over there, so we are talking about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you, you know.
Calling me? What you mean calling me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know? Do. Huh? No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me the fence into your lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What owe me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I contact, boy, you come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on my head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me, soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again, alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy, just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, for say, I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess, you know, a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can...
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my
So
man?
hold on. Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
Come here, roll you.
Are you see there? Alright. You know what I'm saying? I make no sense. Me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me to feel a way about the whole situation. That make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
I can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You know say me wrong. No say me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Because I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't, me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean
What
me
you
have to
work
pack up and leave? Baby, where me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the
I
other
know
thing.
say me wrong and everything, but me not have you have to give me some time or something.
No time no there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
You know,
heart.
if you want to reach a
What me
police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
do? What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a grown me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
So you see I going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but me not have no money, you know. Me can't owe you till next week. You know, trust.
What? You know no money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about you know money if me not trust till next week. Where you are going with? You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
Me I can put back this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know say you want your sort out. Saying, and you really are come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes at $500. Alright, let me feel it.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go on a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500, no, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it, $500.
You think I bend down this, you think I feel it. If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So better you step away, sir. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left, look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face say some scam you go on. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming out with money and in 1 little time I don't have no money. You don't want to give me. Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place, you go pay your bill. Them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, That don't work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. A business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A farm you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just want to go quick, please. We will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
Me will give her
Who
some
will
money
get the
when we
benefit?
come back. Just take it 5 and me will give her some money when we come back.
Me can't hold my Sachin?
Hey boy, now make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't hold my Sachin? You can't hold my Sachin? When you go in my Sachin shop and him say, "Wow, hing, hon. What him say to you? Hey, I go. No sense it. So you hold it and cool out. I understand the 5 bills thing and I go like you want to feel. Feel free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I say, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me hear all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. What going baby, me have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
You can go on.
you hold the 5 bills. Come in and 5 bills. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand, you know. I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? I'm going to tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand you think money is all. You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you can't click you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call me virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash bag. Crosses. Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good? Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, In a catch pot.
One take care. You know bad girl in you. That's at 21 in you.
But man prostitute. Yeah. I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream,
As a matter of fact, two of them, one come first and in there and no money. You see me? And then one next one come with a 10 grand. And we move with him and then afterwards, she say, he not worth the 10 grand. And we wake up Fridays and chefs up here and say, well, must want cash pot this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to really sit?
So man, everything he make bad eye. He couldn't go on out, man. One little time he see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, man. There, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah. The woman down there beat a cuss and I go on the most way. And she, you know, say me nice with her. Me just come out and say me I come take some cool piece. You want you and she go on my own. Eh, and that I go on. So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me neck. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Why? I differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what say, a little thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. And if you tell her, brother, yo, you want a little thing, cause I really, yo. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, we know a piece of money in a yacht. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. We're searching for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at here, boy, from around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and I tell me a story about Jim. Say, woman, I hold him down, all of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man, right there, them boy, the girl. So, make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So, I just go so bad, man. Rakes up. I give me rakes too, you know. But I don't know what go on for him. But I rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So, I just go buy nobody. I see it, you can't have money if it's spent. Wait. How are you, youth? What? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it the food. I deal with it. Really, see me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have to come look for him.
Yeah? So, your man there?
Could idiot boy gone about him business. Yeah, might have to come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. How you with this man? Yeah, man. Get it, man. I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look at him, I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they get me. Now check it. Keep your money. Yeah. Keep your money. It was on the brand new pack, man. Brand new pack. You need to never let me see here. Alright, say no more here.
There.
Chaplada, take care of you, man.
Boy, not going good.
You're not going good. When they?
I know we ain't gone.
So I have to move fast. Fast. So,
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, me need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something me gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy before you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. I can't take them and sit there no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now? Hmm?
I made the ask time because you're bigger, you know, no time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? And me help take care of your foot?
Alright, it's my boot there, man. Cause you see, you love take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. No one just, yo, you hear me? Just do what you do, you answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just look at your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. I mean, yo, you hear me? Just give me some time, you answer. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So what you say, food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. Have a good national dish. Tin mackerel. Saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, you're rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that you go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes some people I'm grateful, listen man. And people in Africa right now that be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me, you chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably did but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things you go on, you know. Where you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man go on.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God no? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And
Tangelina?
the same girl you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But she name Angelina. Matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend now. It's alright. Know yourself. But they are dark, must come a light. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, but come out and come see. Or come check me.
I lucky things that
Busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake up because maybe you're that pissy bed.
It's a cross history around it, yeah. And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, Caroline. Best friend.
Yo, mama.
What I don't want, girl is?
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss, alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by Public Report Official, and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so, alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or Public Report Official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Okay, Mosh. You know what I say,
Me want this to blow.
Go.
You're rough.
All done?
Best friend, not the best friend of a
Big boy.
man.
No, girl. Angelina. No. Hello.
Yeah, bro.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
Angela, this is...
Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello. Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello.
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time, me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple of weeks late.
So to become late, so no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
All right, Miss Angela.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a wonderful evening.
You too. We can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. We are going to go on for we. You know what to do, Mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the ILO and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. I not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him different long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, Mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them are going to kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me I do road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, Mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that. 4 months now, me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, Mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, Mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call me. I did it. Call the man.
I'm going to call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something.
What kind of thing that? I don't think what's in the shop.
Nothing like that. You know I'm pregnant though.
Okay, why father?
What do you mean why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it, use a condom and me take care of my things. You understand? And nothing never wrong. So I don't really understand what I want. Maybe you take up a condom and force up on your own or something. I don't know.
Well, I guess the births are something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. Maybe not sleep with.
I just don't know why I'm still excited. So you said you come check me with talk.
Yes, me will come link you.
Here?
Yeah.
Still sexy.
Always.
Oh my God.
Alright. Public. Public.
But wait. My God. Mm-mm. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come in, come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch your man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother talk about then water, then baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You don't want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but not tonight.
I know easy at all. But I'm serious now still. 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come, I tell us I feel pain and everything, discomfort. I kill me right now, I'm sitting here. So right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if I could go get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you to stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice? I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, it sound good, it sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
I don't want to stress out the baby, not at all. I don't want the baby hungry. Yeah? Son comes.
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And I don't belly be sure my belly flat like mommy.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it, you know? If it, you're true, man.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and go and buy. Alright.
I'm with him realize, say, you're not really into me again.
What?
See, all this man, you wake up, normally when you wake up, you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know? This man, you know, they say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand, you're a beautiful woman, but you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention, you know that.
Yeah.
Thing. So stop
Me
acting
supposed
like
to
that.
love attention, me a feel woman. You feel me, man? If you always want your attention. As much as me give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know? I want to you. Me supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
My God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recorded right now, make you hear yourself. Me feel run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. Me understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because me done gone left, right and center, but me still there. So yes, me don't give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no make a run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really make a play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, the least you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think to the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, me only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, you see that girl is, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? Me have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. Me have girl all boy place, you know. Me have girl round so. And me have one girl up on the lane there. Because the style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? Me a girl is brother. Actually you don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy do? How much money you have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's home. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for no reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk, I talk. What happened? You ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there, look like your friend is more important than me. Me there in there so want look at attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man, yo. Out here say me bridge and talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with something
so
like?
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man, just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how are you the phone a text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text somebody. Me just a chill car with up on the road all day. And you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first I wait. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fuck no phone for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this go sit down. Get up.
Yo, oh, this a man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I'm a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a rasta. Give me wallet. Second time it's alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Who ya?
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me go date a ballad. I rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you. So guess what? If you're over AV, if you're there public report, if you're there where?
Bad Girl Care TV.
Just like, share, and subscribe. She bad, you see? Or I say bad, me not talk with a normal bad. Crazy in a real life for sure. But guess what now? Thank you. Big up yourself. Tell them something.
Thanks for watching, guys. The link is in the description below. Just like, share, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, you know? Make sure you share too. No. Alright.
Hey V, why pray? Hey V, where you there? Where you there? But I say,
yeah, shoot and editor here, people. Spend most of our time behind the camera these days. I'm gonna try to get me some like and all. Anyways, remember if you like the video, share, subscribe. Thank you. Yes, sir. And action.
okay. Baby, you're pretty like money. I want to talk about. Bro,
come on, get. And action.
What you really just say? Time off? Time off? When me a peel the banana, you ever ask it me?
Yeah, man, go right. Hold it with the banana.
Peel the banana.
Alright, we're put role play first.
And action.
Time. Oh.
That bad thing.
Yeah. And action.
Oh, you really just say? Time off? Time off? When we are.
I peel your banana. No respect.
Yes, because she's so into it. She's so into it. Yeah. It's fine. You're doing good.
First time I got so much time, you know? You know, it's the first time it happened to me.
It happened to me worse. It's no worse than.
Alright, we're ready. Don't spend too long.
Action.
So wait there. For your friend, they're more important than me. Me they in there so. I want look attention and you out here so with friend. You know what? Let me spit and you're not reaching yet. Cause me not play with you.
No.
rough. Never I use it.
How we go.
Let me spit sod. Sod out. Let me make it sod. We spit sod out.
Yeah.
I ain't reach it. But no.
What one, Papa?
You know, some day I go take a walk on the road there.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I like to on my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things you have on your mind? So what kind of things you have on your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me you grew up and you ever tell me what's on your mind?
You know, say nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. Because me I go to school, me always have them dream business and you know, I have this wet dream business, but never know say in a man in them thing that happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it will happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and me see me and I look for no reason.
That you never want to tell me? Papa, that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow out.
No man, I grow out that long time man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear, so later we talk.
Alright young, take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother Popeye. I'm really concerned about Popeye.
I can't concern about Popeye. You say Popeye a madman. Anyways, what you say do you?
You know, so not for go on so. You don't for go on so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave so. Because look while I go, I see him and I come down and I say to me, say, yo, he might think about all type of things and he might think about puberty and when he did young, anything so he might go to school, he might go have puberty but he never knows a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because he wants somebody to talk to him.
What kind of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness you come to me about? What about puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I heard me for running out of the bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? I now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make Papa stay so. I come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
Yes, a girl come slam man door come talk about puberty. You see the one Popeye?
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan to do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassing? How happened?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? And from with you, me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, girl. Before I get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. Me can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you say about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say man them do you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you say about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. Me don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know. Cause me not want to ask them cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
How going on, sir? Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, girl, how far me I come from? So Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright, that's all I want.
So public, to you. You alright?
You good?
Things good. What? You don't think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why not act so?
Let me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and Malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there so I don't really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama. And I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something go on under this. I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle your business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend.
Hi guys, this is Bad Girl Care speaking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and my channel is Bad Girl Care TV. Anyways, people, let me ask you a question. If you have a friend or his or her mouth stink, how would you ask them? Would you be brawling like public, or would you be like Kira and try hide it and try hint out to make him or her know say them mouth stink? Leave it in the comment section below.
Oh hi guys, subscribe to the channel that you're on right now, and when you're finished, that is if you're new, when you're finished go over to Kira TV, that's Kiera. Subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for more hot contents like this. Peace.
Action.
Girl, do you know some single fan with you, right? And me I try if you make the first move, and every time I go to a man and me start talk, it's like them smile at first. Sorry. Yeah, please. I'm trying my best not to laugh at.
And action.
Alright, you know say from where day me single, and me I try put myself out there, and me I make the first move, and me daddy and me I talk to them, and it's like them start smile at first.
And action.
You sure say everything good?
Yeah man girl, everything good man. So we ask about him and them.
Me no know the man them just a run for me so. Me no, you know one go so.
And action.
You sure say alright?
Yeah man girl, everything alright. So we ask about him and them now.
Me nah have no corona, you know? But still, me no know the man them just a run for me so. Me not understand. Kira.
Me I go suck me as well, alright? See me a 3 more.
Just left this so you can't edit it out though.
Action.
Me want to know wagwan.
You and a good friend. You? Sit and go. Man, shoot her, we can't keep them words.
friend I say I'm going to sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say. Alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah, man, come on. Yeah.
So Alicia, remember you know when man a spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. Say for that in depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm going to call one girl in case if I not want to knock. Right now, I'm going to call her too.
Alright.
James, now come in, alright? James! The boy like outside here, me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull the grill and come in. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? Say you not have nobody to give no money?
I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even for beg or borrow.
So that means that you not go then?
Well, that have to just wait and do.
Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you come at the party.
Really, girl? You did that for me? And that's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on. But me take on another level, me no see them at all.
She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she
But
bright.
you know easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You not sure, man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me? What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. You drop and lick your head smile. What kind of money I share? My man have money nor food for share. Me a bright tea, girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things they do better than me and she take him from me, you're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying I'm gonna have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better have me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dalios thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad? In can't do that. Dalios them both man and woman I got mash up because me beat the two of them. Me I chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
Then what if it's a case where me I please your man the right way and you not please him the right way?
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my ear, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills them in the house. So I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one go do a man to about it.
Enough women out there share their man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I forgot to take my boyfriend for money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if I anything later, I come call her, I'll check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember for collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna say about your sister, girl?
My friend just left from right, so that's why
So girl, yeah, you support I keep later, you know go.
I could have asked her some money, but there's a wait pan for go do my ear. I'll stop now wait pan right now. Yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother. Yeah, come right to kill sometimes till she gone.
So your brother give you money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I might take him things them.
One always a fair time. What's me dying trial? You not hear me a call you, Deidre? You in here listen Satan music.
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie, and me just use them. I can wash them up when we finish.
But Deidre, me need that to come in here and tell you. Say if you wash them. We can't do too much something. It's better you going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn what list? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up the plate. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
Check my ear, I'm gonna come back with a bag of knives, Carl. Can't make nobody know it, you know. That's business, yeah.
Girl, see girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Man, what did I do right? I know. Hello?
Carla. Yeah, man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine, say, Deidre, they on phone, I listen to music, and they plate them the wash? No, me don't know how you do it. No, man, look like some me have to go send her back.
Now talk to her.
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me don't want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell Deidre I'm gonna talk to her.
No. You should have grown to help you out. No, I mean, you want to get in trouble too.
May I hear you? May I listen to everything, sister?
No, man. Me just say me I go help you out. Me didn't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? And may I come down there later, because I have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah, man. Talk to her. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah. Me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate, then I want you to buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You have no manners.
better than broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to a white car glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deirdre. Go on, man. Get it, man. You can do better, Deirdre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem going on the field with you. Yo, the right now thing acting up. Yo, who that girl? She look good, so I'm set up to her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. All there. Sexiness. All there. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call you, man, I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You could butterfoot girl, that's how you stay now. You could long man there compliment you and say, yeah, behave. As man just say something bad, that's how you hear. You see all them girls, that's how I'm going to deal with them more time in my house.
Achoo, man.
More try. Go on no ways, man. Oh, the war again, the brother.
Go my brother. You alright?
Oh, where there?
You say your sister here stay. You can't get your sister one money for do her ear. Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
See, you what? I don't money I know.
I don't want an excuse.
I don't money I know, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not
time
there, no money.
I'm tired of that. No, I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
No, sir. Yo, give me a son, man. This is right now what you there, Yo. Give me a son. Yo, what I'm on this? I'm tell you this. I'm about to come back to you know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. Now, what kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? Now, what kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party. I come up and I go want some food.
Man. Just go on, man. I'm not about to foolish, man. Most one puppy show yard is to real. You don't understand this. So I go on here. If I come and make one bag of load nice with the excitement down and something, man. How do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. The point never come and see me. I said the left man gate. See all you know? You make people run in and people and do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
Deirdre, we are there.
Mommy, Dad. Yeah, well, Mommy.
Alright?
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come off on the phone with your auntie, you know? Yeah. And you know, the things that my shot tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell you to do around the house, do it. I sometimes don't even make she tell you to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. I watch TV, she call me Deidre.
Deidre, them not something the way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing up plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something there? You're a young lady. You understand? Right now, it's the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister want to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah, I saw life going on. And you's a young lady, me want you come out to somebody. When you come out to be somebody in our life. You not go up there forever, you know. Yeah, you not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't put nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and way and going like you want disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're gonna see that she was helping you out.
So girl, waiting. I can't ready, I got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or
So,
anything.
make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
So, you're good to go. I just Deandra we have. Me a text her to see. Cause
You don't just she now.
I'm gonna make she all long, you know?
Yeah, no, I go wear this. Cause this short little shape and something.
I hope she wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear what she wear short. Cause I'm gonna just in a long skirt and then something.
Yeah, girl, I just think a church will go.
Oh, you not gonna test so? No. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
You're not gonna look flat or fat, you just gonna look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay, you know me stay.
You not look nowhere, girl.
No one,
Honest, you know
ready.
say talk truth. No. This will make your bottom look big, girl. That gonna look nice, not this. This make, but this nice too, you know. But this I gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did you get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy short on the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I'ma get everything I want. And me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I'ma give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come I buck you up down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come to now.
Auntie send me come buy like 2 egg, but the shop lock.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie I wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she go send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure I allow you to go to the party. Okay? You have the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own a drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink for get drunk. Alright, so some money here, alright? And tell your auntie some soon come. Alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alisa, what do you make a red shot? It's all good for me.
Alright, we are anything you want. Let's get that look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alisa, I'm going to come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me don't know so she did it. You know how good time you want to spend with them for a party, so me can go link her again.
Can I say that when I come back home?
Alright, me link her party, yeah?
And I'm just telling me, I wish I do this for so long.
Alright people, yes, I know you don't need for longer, it needs for at least be 1 hour and a half. I don't know if you can get that, but we are going to make a deal. This is the deal we are going to make. So if you don't subscribe yet, you need to click the red button there and subscribe. You need to go in the comment section as well and motivate the actors and actresses them so they feel motivated to come again and put in the work. Because trust me, you know, it can be really intimidating and frustrating. But it will be worth it to them if they see in the comments where you guys love their efforts. Because coming from me alone and tell them say, oh, them are do good, them probably not going to believe me. But when I tell them, them will believe. You see me? I'm not asking them to send me no money. You understand? I'm not asking them to send me no equipment. Nothing at all. all I need you guys to do is like the video, comment, share it, send it to somebody. Say, yo, pre that video and tell them what you think. And say, yeah man, I like it, and say, yo, share it with somebody else and tell them the same thing too. You see me? And you can get, I want 2-hour video. Yeah, I want 2-hour video. So, yeah people, just do that for me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, but St. Thomas people. They up at the east side. Them have East Indian mango up there like crazy. All that store dog. You know down in west if one East Indian mango drop, be time if you reach the ground somebody take you up already. You see if it drop you so, they don't want it. You have to come straight off a tree, you see me? So yeah people, apart from that, for your entertainment, make sure so you like, comment, subscribe and share. Yeah. I shall soon on the next blouse and skirt before I go away. So this channel is known to get short films, vlogs and all of that. But I'm going to put a link, as a matter of fact, the pinned comment. So they'll check the comment section, the first comment, the one that is at the top. It will take you to the channel that will have full-length movie videos like this. You understand me? So subscribe to that channel. That is the channel where I upload the full-length thing them fun. If you no uphold for no end of the bargain, which is liking the video, subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, share, comment and motivate the actors and actresses them. That's all Lara asking for the people. That's all. I'm at St. Thomas by myself, by the way. Meet some new people, just a film with them, share my world with them, them a share for them world with me. And it's an amazing experience. Doesn't me? Really like it. So yeah. Just do that for me and you can get videos upon videos upon videos upon videos upon videos. Lara not asking no money, Lara not asking no equipment, Lara not asking for stress out on herself. Everything where Lara asking for do, and you can do it right now, we just at top of the thing, you see me? Boom boom, share, Facebook all about, boom, like, boom, subscribe. You do good there so, I like how you act there so. That's all. Yeah, entertainment is delivered. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to subscribe and go over that channel to go subscribe to send you up to 1,000 or whatever. I might post this over there as well so you can run up the watch hours for me and probably get it monetized. But yeah, until then, Lara shall soon go match up some East Indian mango, probably come back some West food. Little more.
DJ, you know, so I just come off for the phone with your auntie. And she say, you nah, go and go, your behavior is not good in the house. And you know, say,
action.
Let's cut back.
And action.
Alicia, may I ask you something? That's something to say? That you can cut back in
action.
So Alicia, what is it back here? Well, I don't remember what would I say. So I say, Alicia, what if I want kids to it already?
Alright, yeah. And action. And action. And
ready. Oh, we are going to start and something for look around and say?
So I said, well, I can say, well, so put it like that, I think it kind of makes sense. If the action.
I mean, we never understand what. So I'm mango interested in that. So anyways, girl. She
and action.
So anyways, talk to her now, please. I mean, we not did anything. So anyways, girl, we are close. We can't do it. Can't I look at the door face now? We can't do it.
Action.
Kim, what you want still? Should I say it now? One look away a while ago, enough to go.
Hold on, I want that.
Kim, what you want? What you want to sit on your side, though? So, girl, you know, you support to keep up. Yeah. So you wanna go? Yeah, girl, me I got a party, you know. But she just cursed.
Action.
Yeah.
you know, for ask me the question. You don't ask her. Also,
You know, say auntie just call me and the things that she said to me on the phone, you know, I not really like to hear them something about you as you be my daughter. You hear me, sir? Yeah, you know. So, Deidre, when me was for your age and then something there, when me was a little pitney, a cow, goat and them something there, me that fear look after, I milk the cow and I milk the goat and them something there and I carry them a bush and all of them something there. So you are complaining about washing up 2 little plate? 2 little plate? That is nothing, nothing compared to what me did have to do as a little pitney. You understand me? And now we don't have taxi for carrying no go to school and then something there. And miles we used to have to walk. Miles we used to have to walk before we reach our school. And some of we not have no shoes and then something there. You understand me? May I tell you? Yeah. So don't make sure to call me and tell me about bend up your face. You know wash up my dishes and then something there. You hear me? That is not nice. Not time.
no.
Action. Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. If I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Now I come soon.
Action.
That not so bad. That sound better than what my man deal with. About no man full of sweet mouth talk. Action me deal with.
And action.
No man full of sweet talk, but the action me deal with. But anyways, one party I come up later. I don't know if I can give him a little money. And when I go and see him, I can put in a little more words and hear what you have to say.
Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. If I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Now I come soon.